Hello students, today we are beginning with the new chapter Human Health and Diseases. What is health? Health is a state of physical, mental, social, emotional and reproductive well-being. Earlier a person is known by its IQ, that is the intelligence quotient. These days a person is known by its EQ. EQ, that is how emotionally stable he is. IQ stands for intelligence quotient and EQ stands for emotional quotient. Now, the discovery of blood circulation was done by William Harvey. It is also said that mind influences our immunity system through the neural system and endocrine system, and it helps in maintaining our health. Health of a person is affected by the following. Number one, genetic disorders which are present in a child right from the birth and which are inherited from the parents. Second is the infections. Third, lifestyle, which includes food and water intake, rest and exercise we give to our body, and the habits like smoking, drinking, etc. Now, what are the advantages of good health? Health means absence of disease. When people are healthy, they are more efficient at work. Second is health increases productivity, it brings economic prosperity, and it also increases longevity. Longevity means lifespan of people, and it reduces infant and maternal mortality rate. What are the factors that can help in achieving good health? The factors are balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise, yoga, awareness about diseases, vaccination against infectious diseases, proper disposal of waste, control of vectors, maintenance of hygienic food and water resources. These are the factors which are necessary for achieving good health. Now, the diseases, they are divided into two broad categories: infectious and non-infectious. Infectious diseases are those which are spread from the diseased person to the healthy person, and these are also called communicable diseases. All fungal, helminthic, viral, bacterial and protozoan diseases, they fall in this category. Non-infectious diseases which do not spread from diseased person to healthy person, and these include the deficiency disorders, allergies, cancers, degenerative disorder like kidney failure or heart disease, polio, hepatitis. They belong to the category of non-infectious or non-communicable diseases. And other examples of infectious diseases are rabies, TB, measles, chickenpox, eye flu, etc. Now, some common diseases in human beings. A disease causing organism is called pathogen. Therefore, all the parasites which live inside the body of living organisms, they belong to the category of pathogens. What is the mode of action of pathogens? How do they affect the functioning of the host? They enter the body through various means, either through nose, mouth and the anal openings, and they multiply and they interfere with the normal activities of the host, and this results in morphological and functional damage. Now, there are certain diseases discussed like typhoid, pneumonia, common cold, malaria. We will discuss them one by one. We will completely follow the NCERT but under different headings. The first disorder or the disease is typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. Mode of transmission, how this disease is transmitted. The pathogen enters the intestine through contaminated food and water, and then it migrates to other organs through the blood. What are the symptoms? High fever, weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache, loss of appetite, intestinal perforations, and death in severe cases. These two, they are the with double arrow. We can mention the major symptoms with double arrow, that is pain in the stomach and intestinal perforation, means pores or holes in the intestine. Cure typhoid, first is the diagnostic test, is the Vidal test, which is done to detect typhoid, and the medicine called Merimelon, it is given to cure टाइफाइड. बिकॉज टाइफाइड मैरी, इसको हम जो है टाइफाइड मैरी भी कहते हैं इस दवाई को. क्यों? क्योंकि देयर वॉज इट इज़ मैरी टाइफाइड मैरी मेलन वॉज अ cook by profession, and she was carrier of typhoid who continued to spread typhoid for several years through the food she prepared.